Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the most simple, fun, and natural way. No pressure, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's all you need to do to start learning and understanding without even realizing it. Today's video is all about fun, talent, and basketball with a twist. We're talking about the legendary Harlem Globetrotters, one of the most famous basketball teams in the world. But what makes them so different? Why are they so well known, not just in the United States, but across the globe? Let's find out together. The Harlem Globetrotters are not a typical basketball team. Yes, they play basketball, but they combine it with comedy, entertainment, music, tricks, and incredible skills that you won't see in a regular NBA game. They're known for their flashy passes, amazing dunks, and humorous interaction with the audience. It's like a live show that just happens to be on a basketball court. The team was founded in the 1920s during a time when African American players were not allowed to compete in many professional leagues. So, the Globetrotters started as a serious team that toured the country, playing games against local teams. They were so good that they began adding humor and tricks just to keep things interesting. And it worked. The fans loved it. Over the years, the Harlem Globetrotters became global ambassadors of the game. They've played in more than 120 countries, bringing basketball and joy to millions of people, young and old. They've even performed for kings, queens, presidents, and popes. But beyond the fun, the Globetrotters played an important role in history. In the 1940s and 50s, they helped prove that African American athletes belonged at the highest level of competition. In fact, many NBA stars, including the first African American player in the league, Nat Sweetwater Clifton, got their start with the Globetrotters. What makes them special today is not just their history, but their mission. They promote teamwork, respect, courage, and education, especially for kids. Their shows include messages about anti-bullying, perseverance, and believing in yourself. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about the Harlem Globetrotters and why they're so famous, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. That's where we'll review everything and help you keep improving your English and cultural knowledge. Please give this video a like and share it to help us keep growing and making better and better content just for you. See you in the next adventure.